verse, it does that turnaround every day. YouTube, we're going to play Viagra Boys. Someone requested the song Blue Bone. So I'm playing D minor 7, but you could just play the A string, that's the root, and the B and the G string. Okay, but if you know your bar chord of D major 7, it's probably easier just to bar that. Then we go to a C. Again, we're just playing the A string, B string, followed by the G string. And then when we go to this G7, which is the third chord, we switch to the E string root. I'm not eating, I'm not sleeping. Just go at the end of the verse, it does that turnaround every day. Alright, that's how you play that one. Thanks for the request. Bye-bye.